We found that over 95% of all students worry about their future career. Let that sink in for a moment. 95%. And our research shows that the main problem they are facing is a lack of clarity about what study and career truly suits them. But why? As an adolescent, you're just learning about yourself. Combine that with the abundance of opportunities that exist today. Finding a way isn't easy.
That's why we created the Vision Workshop, where participants are supported in shaping their future career by clarifying their values, vision, and the process of realizing it. We take them on a 3-hour-long self-reflection journey. They get a workbook full of exercises and tools, learn new theories and perspectives, get the chance to share with their peers, and more. Over 250 students have already been positively impacted by the Vision Workshop. So are you ready to help the next generation shape their future? Then check out our website for more details, or contact us directly. Because a vision combined with action creates a powerful reality.